In this video, I will show you how to remove add to cart button in Shopify Send theme. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have this add to cart button right here on my product on the Send theme. So if I want to actually remove that, what I can do is I can head over in here to the store, online store on the left sidebar, and click on the three dots right here under the Send. Click on edit code right here. Now, once you have done that, you can see in here all of the files or all of the codes for your actual website. So searching here for buy, then you should be able to see this buy button, click it. Now in here, you should be able to see this around number 13, this block type by attributes. What you can do is you can put an enter to that, and then in here you can see that I have here block. So for this one, let's head over and then paste this code. This code is this one. This is what it looks like. So just head over and then copy that. After that, click on save right here. And then from in there, if you have this error right here, make sure right here that it was closed as well. So in order to close that, head over and then just copy what it looks like right here. So let's copy this number 12. Then let's paste it right in here. Then put that right here, but let's remove the end comment and let's add comment only, and then click on save right here. And then if there's still an error, just head over and then just save this as well, and then put another end comment right here, and then make sure to paste it as a plain text, or you can also paste it as a code right here. So make sure also that if you want to close this, make sure that this division was closed as well if you want. So if you don't want that, head over and then remove this only. And then add this on another block if ever. So head over and add another block to that if you want as well. So for this one, let's put another right here, and then let's paste that and click on save right here. And then once it's been saved, head over to your actual dashboard that we have visited right now, and then refresh that. And then in here, as you can see, there's still an add to cart, but it's because it takes some time in order for this to load. So just refresh your site as you want until you no longer see the add to cart button. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.